Today, I want to show you a brand new VPN that has been catching a lot of attention lately, called UDP Tunnel VPN. This app comes with its own high-speed servers, and it supports multiple protocols, which means you get secure, stable, and unlimited internet browsing, all from one simple application. If you have been struggling with slow connections or apps that keep disconnecting, this one is definitely worth trying. Before we get started, if you find this video helpful, please take a moment to like it, share it with someone who needs a reliable VPN, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update. Let's get started. Open any browser on your device. This could be Chrome or any other browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Custom UDP Website and press Enter. From the search results, look for the official Custom UDP website and open it. Once the website has fully loaded, tap the menu icon in the corner to open the navigation menu. Inside that menu, tap on Free VPN to continue. This will bring you to the Free VPN page, where you will see a list of available VPN applications ready for you to explore. From this list, tap on UDP Tunnel VPN, and this will take you straight to its download page. Once you are on the download page, tap the Install button to begin downloading and installing the application. Onto your device, depending on your internet speed, this installation might take a few minutes, so just be patient and let it finish completely before moving on. After the installation is complete, tap Open to launch UDP Tunnel VPN for the first time. When the app starts up, you will land on the home screen. At this point, it may ask for notification permission, and you are free to either allow it or deny it, whichever you prefer. Make sure your device has an active internet connection at this stage, because the application needs it to download the latest server list. Once the servers finish updating, the VPN may restart on its own automatically, so just wait a few seconds until that process wraps up. Now let's take a look inside the application itself. You will notice it is built around two main sections, one for selecting a server and another for choosing your connection protocol. To pick a server, tap on the Server section, and a list of available server locations will appear on your screen. Go ahead and select whichever server you would like to use. And remember, you can always come back and change it later. Next, let's move on to selecting a protocol. Tap the Tweak section to view the built-in connection methods that come with the app. Take a moment to scroll through the available options and choose whichever protocol works best for your particular network. If you would rather use your own custom configuration instead of the built-in tweaks, simply tap the radio button next to Custom Settings. This will open a new window where you can choose from different protocols, such as SlowDNS, V2Ray, SSL settings, and a few other supported methods. Keep in mind that some of these protocols will require your own custom server, while others can run just fine using the built-in servers that come with the application. Once you have chosen the method that fits your needs, go back to the home screen and tap the large Start button. Within just a few seconds, the VPN should establish a secure connection, and you will be ready to browse safely. If you ever want to share your VPN connection with another phone, tablet, or computer, simply open the side menu, tap on Tethering, and enable that feature to extend your secure connection to your other devices. And that wraps up everything you need to know to get UDP Tunnel VPN up and running on your device. It's a simple setup that gives you fast, secure, and flexible browsing with very little effort. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment if you run into any issues, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.